Welcome friends, in this video we are going to make tricolor frill. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, kindly subscribe it and press bell icon. Required material: origami paper, orange, white and green, Fevicol. First of all, take orange color origami paper and fold it like a fan. And then fold it half. Now paste it with Fevicol. In the same way, make more fan folding cones. Now we are having 7 fan folding cones. Let's fix them with each other by using Fevicol. Now our tricolor frill is ready. Thank you friends for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.